Welcome to the Skilled MBA Operations Management Case Study Series. Today, we spotlight Ashmilro Engineering Limited, a prominent name in India's diesel generator market. The company is grappling with a pressing challenge, a 6-week lead time that threatens customer satisfaction and future growth. At the center of this crisis is plant head Prabhakar Hegde, who embarks on a methodical journey to diagnose and fix operational bottlenecks. This case dives deep into the value chain to examine how a structured approach to process optimization, supply coordination, and workflow management can dramatically reduce lead times and restore competitive advantage. Ashmilro Engineering Limited, a leader in India's diesel generator market, is grappling with a 6-week lead time crisis. This delay risks customer satisfaction and market growth. Plant head Prabhakar Hegde is spearheading efforts to identify and rectify operational inefficiencies across the value chain, aiming to streamline processes and enhance delivery performance. Prabhakar Hegde, as plant head, is tasked with resolving the lead time crisis without compromising quality or cost efficiency. Customers are growing frustrated with delays, considering competitors with quicker deliveries. Senior leadership is worried about failing to achieve a 15% market share increase within 2 years. The order fulfillment cycle has extended to 6 weeks, surpassing industry standards and customer expectations. This delay jeopardizes Ashmilro's market position, as competitors offer shorter delivery times, threatening growth strategies and market share. Addressing these extended lead times is crucial to maintaining competitive advantage and customer satisfaction. Siloed operations between sales, planning, procurement, and production lead to information delays and misaligned priorities. Frequent stockouts of critical components halt production, causing unpredictable assembly schedules. Departmental key performance indicators, misaligned with lead time reduction goals, create conflicting priorities. Lack of standardized workflows results in inconsistent processing times and quality issues requiring rework. Missed delivery deadlines are eroding customer loyalty, while high work-in-progress inventory inflates capital costs. Production scheduling disruptions lead to costly overtime, stalling market share gains at a mere 3% against a 15% target. Addressing these operational impacts is crucial for achieving strategic objectives. Hegde's strategic objective is to reduce the current lead time from 6 weeks to 2 weeks, a 67% reduction, to enhance customer satisfaction and competitiveness. Achieving this will support a 2-year goal of 15% market share growth, contingent on maintaining quality and cost efficiency. Comprehensive value stream mapping identifies non-value-adding activities and bottlenecks in order fulfillment. Prioritize high-impact changes through effort-benefit analysis. Implement solutions systematically with phased rollouts and clear metrics. Establish feedback mechanisms and regular review cycles for continuous improvement, ensuring sustained and enhanced gains. Implement synchronized workflows across departments to ensure clear handoffs and responsibilities. Introduce production control boards and digital dashboards for real-time status tracking and bottleneck identification. Develop standardized operating procedures for critical processes to reduce variability and improve predictability. Supplier integration involves vendor-managed inventory systems and collaborative forecasting with key suppliers. Inventory optimization uses Kanban systems for high-volume components and strategic buffer stocks for critical parts with long lead times. Logistics enhancement focuses on a supply chain control tower for end-to-end visibility and proactive issue resolution. Implementing 5S workplace organization minimizes motion waste, enhancing efficiency. Quick changeover techniques, like single-minute exchange of dies, cut setup time significantly. Pull systems curb overproduction, reducing work in progress. Quality at source initiatives eliminate rework loops, ensuring first-time quality. Total productive maintenance focuses on reducing equipment downtime, boosting overall productivity. Aligning performance management involves a unified key performance indicator framework, focusing on lead time as a key metric. Daily huddles and weekly reviews enhance cross-functional collaboration, addressing bottlenecks. Incentives are realigned to reward on-time delivery and lead time reduction. Transparent performance dashboards throughout the facility ensure visibility and accountability. Addressing resistance to change involves a structured change management program, focusing on early wins and developing champions. Resource constraints are tackled through phased implementation, prioritizing return on investment. Supplier readiness is enhanced via development programs and segmentation strategies. Technical capabilities are boosted with targeted training and external expertise. Sustaining momentum requires regular reviews and a continuous improvement infrastructure. Operations leaders must adopt a systemic view to address lead time issues, ensuring an end-to-end perspective. A cross-functional approach is crucial to break silos and unify performance measures. Balance urgent fixes with structural solutions and foster a continuous improvement culture to sustain gains and drive ongoing optimization. This case exemplifies transforming operational performance in complex manufacturing environments. Precision, pace, and performance are critical in operational excellence. Addressing lead time issues requires a systemic view, integrating cross-functional approaches to break silos. Balancing urgent fixes with structural solutions fosters a culture of continuous improvement, ensuring sustainable gains and ongoing optimization in complex manufacturing environments. Thank you for joining us in this operational deep dive. For case-based learning, support, or collaborations, reach out at support@skilledmba.com, WhatsApp or call +91 875 5300795. Visit www.skilledmba.com. Based in Modi Nagar, National Capital Region, India.